Alright, so here's some more units that I filmed in the past. Here's this Carrier Tech2000 actually running. 5-ton heat pump, and here's the 2008 Carrier base model. It's got its very large Copeland's bowl compressor, and the Tech2000 is actually running. That's what I was hoping for. It's got a Copeland reciprocating compressor. This is actually a 5-ton, as I remembered. And it's from 2008, so I don't think it has been running. But here's the sight glass. Yeah, I don't think this one's been running, but definitely a 5-ton at this Wells Fargo Bank. I'm gonna make this kind of quick. Oh yeah, this Carrier is running. This Carrier is doing well. The good old Carrier YKC. That's warm. Yeah, this thing is running good. It's actually a 2.5-ton from 2002. It's actually kind of sparkly. This is most definitely a heat pump. I believe this one is turned on. It's got a unique install, but yeah, that's turned on. Okay. This is the second heat pump. It's got its reversing valve in there. It's actually not that large of a reversing valve. But yeah, I don't think this one has been running. This one's also got sparkles on it for some reason. Rough little sparkles. Yeah, this one hasn't been running. But this Carrier YKC is actually running. I'm just going to start calling these YKCs instead of Tech2000s, even though they resemble them. YKC. Blowing out nice and warm. Suction line is freezing cold and sweaty. And this liquid line is outdoor temperature. And it is condensating, I think. I hope. Just listen to that Copeland reciprocating compressor roar. And there's a bunch of units fenced over there, so I'm not going to go over there because there's workers. There is heat pumps over there too, but I'm not going to go over there because, like I said, there's workers. There's the Carrier logo. I thought I remembered it being on this side. I'm actually going to put that on this side. Much better. And here's this one. Sounds like my neighbor's Goodman. Alright. Gotta take one more shot at it. YKC from 2002, 2.5-ton. Carrier HBS, 5-ton from 2008. Alright, thank you guys for watching. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe.